Hi guys, it's Colin here from Learning Python, and today we're going to be going over my first project, which is creating a very basic login system. And so as you can see, I have my input function here asking for your username, password. And basically it writes it as a text file, and once it writes it as a text file, it stores it in the system as well as username 1 and password 1. And then I have this program run again and ask for your username and password again. And basically it checks it against the text files here. And so at the end here, this while loop is if the username or password don't match, I'll say sorry, wrong username or password, try login system again, and you'll re-enter in your password and username. If your username and password are correct, and it says you now have access to account. So just to give you a quick run through about how this program works, so enter username. Let's just say username Colin, password Jordan 1, 2, 3, and then as you can see on the left hand side here, the text, password, and username have been created. Jordan, username Colin. So let's try to fold the system. Colin, username, but we're going to put just Jordan as the password. Wrong username password, try log again. So we're going to try again. We're going to put in the correct username and password, and success. We now have access to your account. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe.